In today's video, I will show you how to replace the blade on a Black & Decker push lawnmower. This one is the 140cc and it uses a 21-inch blade. Check it out. This is the specs. So you guys, if you have a similar one, I'm about to show you how you can do this in under 5 minutes. The only tool that you're going to need is an impact or a wrench and a 17mm socket. So the first thing that you have to do is literally flip it over. Then once you flip it over, you're simply going to take your 17mm socket and you're going to unscrew this just like this. And once it is loose, you can simply do it with your hand and you can remove it. As you can see, this one is bent big time and it just started knocking and all kind of stuff simply because it hit a stump and literally bent the blade. Now we're going to throw that one away and we're going to get the new one. As you can see, the pattern is exactly the same. You can get cheaper ones with a different pattern, but you have to use the adapters and stuff like that. Personally, I do not care about adapters. I want my stuff to fit perfectly. Also, one other tip that I can give you guys is don't buy these at Lowe's or Home Depot. They're like way overpriced. I know some of them you can get online like Amazon for half the price. Literally, they're like 40 bucks at Home Depot. On Amazon, they're like $18. Sometimes you can even get them for 12 bucks. So definitely shop online. I'll include a link to this one in the description box below so you guys can check it out. And now, simply going to put it on just like this. Once it is matched up, easy. And then we're going to add the center cap. We're going to hand tighten it for a second to make sure that these lock in perfectly. And then you're going to take your impact and we're going to tighten it. Now it is strong and sturdy. Also, this will be a great opportunity to clean some of this dried up grass. Clean this as well, get all the ropes and stuff out of there to make a smooth operating lawnmower. And that is it. That is how you change the lawnmower blade on a Black & Decker push mower in under 5 minutes. Actually, this took like 3 minutes. Like, subscribe, check out the link in the description. See you in the next video. Peace out.